One cup can heal your gut in days. I am going to show you how you can heal your gut and get rid of that inflammation. I want you to realize that inflammatory gut conditions arise from many different factors, including poor diet, stress, infection, and imbalances in our gut bacteria, and consuming high and processed food with sugars and unhealthy fats will lead to dysbiosis, where harmful bacteria outnumber beneficial ones, resulting in inflammation. Additionally, chronic stress can disrupt our gut microbiome and its ability to function properly. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and you are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can get so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and several chronic disease treatment with the natural and holistic approach. Let's know the super magical drink that can heal your gut. The gut and the brain are closely connected through the gut-brain axis, where neurotransmitters like serotonin, which are primarily produced in the gut, play a crucial role in regulating our mood and emotional well-being. This connection highlights the importance of maintaining a healthy gut, as an inflamed gut will affect not only our physical health but also our mental health, as well as leading to a cycle of discomfort and emotional distress. And there's one simple yet powerful tonic that many people can make at home right now to help heal your gut and reduce inflammation. It's turmeric and ginger tonic, and both turmeric and ginger are renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties and have been used in traditional medicines for centuries. I want you to understand the health benefits and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that will reduce inflammation in the gut and throughout your body. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties that will aid in digestion and calm the stomach. Both turmeric and ginger are known to support healthy digestion. Ginger can stimulate digestive enzymes and help alleviate digestive issues like bloating and gas, while turmeric can help regulate the digestive process throughout the antioxidant effects. This drink is rich in antioxidants which help combat oxidative stress and promote overall health. The antioxidant will also protect the gut lining and support a healthy immune response and boost your immunity. A healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system. Regular consumption of this ginger turmeric drink will contribute to improved gut health, leading to better overall immune function. Well, let's know how you can prepare this recipe. This recipe is versatile. You can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste, preferences, or add additional beneficial herbs such as cinnamon or peppermint for added flavor and health benefits. And these are your ingredients. You are going to need 1 cup of water, half teaspoon of ground turmeric, half teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1 tablespoon of honey, which is optional for sweetness or your natural sweetener, and a squeeze or 2 of lemon juice along with pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of curcumin and turmeric. So, you are going to take a glass of hot water. You are going to go ahead and put your ingredients there. You can put honey, and last, once it cools down a little bit so you don't affect the antioxidants, and you are going to drink this preferably first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This enhances the digestion and will provide that invigorating start of your day. You can also drink this before your largest meal. You may want to drink it before dinner as well, but I want you to monitor it, see how you respond to this drink. You are going to notice tremendous changes in very short period of time. This is going to reduce the inflammation. It's going to make you feel so much better, so that condition that you are suffering from can repair and heal. So you can get back to your normal lifestyle and be happy once again. And I want you to realize that everything starts in your gut. The majority of serotonin that works with your brain is supplied and made in the gut. Your gut is what allows the essence of life, those nutrients, to get into your bloodstream, into the cells. If your gut is not healthy, this can cause many immune problems, inflammation, and tiredness. The bottom line is you need to eat healthy to get rid of those refined and processed food, those bad oils. You need to get your whole fruits and vegetables to get the natural fiber that will help flush out those toxins, and you want to prevent that auto intoxication, those toxins that could have been building up in your intestines. They make their way into the bloodstream, which leads to more inflammation. So put this drink to work. Alright, I have shared this wonderful magic drink with you. I am confident that you will definitely see changes. Well, chronic gut issues like IBS can easily be treated with Bharat Homeopathic medicine. We at Bharat Homeopathy have treated thousands of chronic IBS patients worldwide. We are a team of experienced doctors who prescribe personalized and customized treatment after a full case taking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and family and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you.